Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to Solidworks. My name is Mike and today I'll show you how you can create a section view of a part in your drawing, right? Pretty straightforward. So this is the model we're going to be working with, and I want to have a cross section, excuse me, basically a cut running straight through the middle there, right? So what are we going to do? We have our model in screen. We're going to go up to File and we're going to select Make a Drawing from Part because that's where we start off, all right? Okay. Now we get the option to choose the size we want to work with. In this case, it doesn't really matter that much. I'm not going to show you the full view of all the views of the object. Just want to show you how to make that section view, right? So let's see, we'll do, I don't know, we'll do a 2, that's fine. Okay, open that up. And here are our views on the right. And I'll drag the ISO view into the top right corner, just because I want to. And we'll click on Shaded with Outline. And then from here, I'm going to go in and select the view that I want to create a section view of and the actual section view, right? So I'm going to take the top view. We're going to bring that in here. And I'm going to make sure that we have all the lines in here, this one, right so. And I want to cut it straight through the middle, okay? Now how do you do that? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to, it's under drawing, you go to section view, you click on that, and then this menu on the left hand will appear. By default, it wants you to do a vertical cut. We don't want that, we want a horizontal one. So we're going to go to the left menu and we're going to click on this one, and then that will change. You have the option to do a diagonal one, which wouldn't make sense in this case, or even do something like this, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this one as discussed, and I'm going to apply that. So we're going to click it in the middle. That's where we want it. We're going to click on Accept, and then it will create our side view right here, or our section view, I should say. Click on it, and there you go. You get a good description of section A. You get a good view of what is actually cut if you look at it from this position, and from here on you can add your annotations or load them, right? So that's basically all there's to it. It's very basic, but that's a good point to get started. And that said, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more SolidWorks videos, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.